Hey guys, welcome back. Let's learn something new from one of the most popular book Atomic Habits for 2 minutes. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. If you want better results, then forget about setting goals. Focus on your system instead. The most effective way to change your habit is to focus not on what you want to achieve but on who you wish to become. The four laws of behavior change are a simple set of rules we can use to build better habits. They are: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. Environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior. Ultimately, it is your commitment to the process that will determine your progress. Getting 1% better every day counts for a lot in the long run. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. There are three layers of behavior change: a change in your outcomes, a change in your processes, or a change in your identity. The ultimate form of intrinsic motivation is when a habit becomes part of your identity. Ask yourself, who is the type of person that will get the outcome I want? Any habit can be broken down into feedback loop that involves four steps: cue, craving, response, and reward. Once our habit becomes automatic, we stop paying attention to what we are doing. Many people think they lack motivation when what they really lack is clarity. Small changes in context can lead to large changes in behavior over time. Self control is a short term strategy, not a long term one. Focus on taking action, not being in motion.